Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a stir-fry cauliflower with beef. What I have here is about a little over a pound, one head of cauliflower, a little over a pound. Beef I already cut up. It's I slice in two slices like this. It's about half a pound of beef. And then the other ingredient, you need about 3 cloves of garlic, salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ground-up pepper, and then to thicken up the stir fry, I use cornstarch. So let's prepare the ingredient. First, let's marinate the beef first. So there's about half a pound of beef. So you need to do is just put about half a teaspoon of cornstarch right there. A little bit, half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Just marinate it. Just put a little bit of oyster sauce in there. So it's marinate with that too. Just a little bit, not too much. So just marinate it and let it sit for about 5 minutes or so. So marinate, let it sit about 5 minutes in the fridge. For the garlic, just crush it like that. All right, just like that. I already washed the cauliflower there. You should wash it a little bit. So all right, just slice it like this. So this is a very easy recipe. So cauliflower goes pretty well with beef. So put about a teaspoon of oil. All right, I want to cook the beef first. So put the beef in there after you marinate about 5 minutes in the refrigerator. So cook the beef first. All right, so it's about 3/4 done. So this is the same dish that I used to put the raw beef. I already washed it. Make sure you wash it before you reuse it again, so you don't contaminate the food. So remove the beef and this time put about 2 teaspoons of oil. Put the garlic in. You don't want to burn the garlic, just cook it for a little bit of maybe 10 to 15 seconds or so. That's it. The garlic will burn easily. Now put in the cauliflower. Put in about a teaspoon of soy sauce. About half a teaspoon of ground-up pepper. Just a pinch of salt. Do not put a lot of salt because the oyster sauce and the soy sauce already have a lot of sodium in it. A teaspoon of oyster sauce. That's it. it's a little too dry, so put a couple teaspoons of water, not too much. And just cook down the broccoli a little bit, put the beef back in. To thicken up the stir fry a little bit, I put a little water in the bowl right here, and then put a little bit of cornstarch in there. About a teaspoon of cornstarch or so, and then stir it, dissolve it completely. And just pour it in. That should thicken up the stir fry. That's it, it's done. Let's plate it up. And this should be delicious. It's easy to make. Doesn't take that long. So this is a final product, stir-fried cauliflower with beef. It's so simple to make, and it's very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. And let me give it a taste. The cauliflower is still crunchy. So it's very tasty, sweet and salty from the oyster sauce and the soy sauce. Really nice. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Stir-fry cauliflower with beef. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.